Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another custom drawing, this time for Drake. Drake is a young fan and his parents emailed me for a custom drawing for their son, which is great. So Drake wanted an A4 size custom drawing and he sent me this image as a reference. He liked the pose of Goku and he wanted Vegeta to be in a drawing as well, both as Super Saiyan 4. Sounds like a great idea, and as the previous two custom drawings were also Super Saiyan 4 based, this one fits pretty good. So now I would say let's create the line art for this, hit like, watch the whole video, and I will talk to you soon. Perfect, we just completed the lines and I think Goku and Vegeta looks amazing. I kept the original pose for Goku and Vegeta I drew behind Goku with crossed arms and floating. Looks really cool, and now I am coloring this with my Ohuhu, ATAX and Copic markers. I'm mentioning the color tones I'm using for both characters as always, and now we will color both characters and then talk again. Alright guys, looking really good. The custom drawing for Drake is turning out amazing, and as you may notice, I colored Vegeta a bit different as I wanted to surround him with an aura. I just thought that would look cool, so why not? Let's do this and finish another commission. So guys, last touch and then the commission for Drake is done. Goku and Vegeta Super Saiyan 4 on an A4 size paper, and I think this is a really cool drawing. It was nice to draw on a smaller paper for once, and we also got a shorter video this time, so let me know what you think. And as always, soon I will upload the whole drawing process in real time on my second channel, so make sure to subscribe. If you are also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram or email, and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next